Hello everybody, what's up? In today's video, if you want to hide your last scene from specific contacts on WhatsApp and you're wanting to learn how, we will be guiding you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. You can start by directly opening up the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. And then once you go ahead and access your mobile device WhatsApp, you can go to the settings. For that, look out for the three-dot menu in the top right corner and tap on it. And once you tap on it, you can select the option of settings from the given menu. After you select the option for settings, what you need to do is you need to navigate to the privacy section and go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on privacy, from here, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and look out for the last seen and online and tap on it. After you tap on it, you can just go ahead and adjust who can see this see the particular information. So you can just go ahead and select the option for my contacts or my contacts, accept the option. So you can select this option for my contacts or the second option called my contacts accept. Just go ahead and select it. And when you do, you will be given an option to select from the list of choices and a list of contacts will appear on your screen. You can choose the specific contact that you do not want to see as your last seen status. And once you tap the check mark in the bottom right corner to apply up your new privacy settings, it will be applied and the last seen will be hidden, like will be shown for only specific contacts that you've selected from the given options on your WhatsApp. And that will do it for you. So if you'd also like to go ahead and hide your last seen from specific contacts on WhatsApp, that is it. You may follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.